Here's how to make a quick budget-friendly pasta sauce with 3 ingredients. 1 small sweet potato per person, 1 lemon and 500 grams of pasta for 4 to 6 people. Then you add optional extras what is in your cupboard. Just be inspired. I like to use fried onion, fried garlic, fried ginger, some fresh herbs, some tahini, coconut cream, and then also mushrooms that I fry and top over afterwards. This is a wonderful way to hide vegetables in your kids' meals. Also, if you're not vegan or vegetarian, crispy bacon over afterwards is lovely. So you steam your sweet potato, add it to a blender with your onions, with lemon zest and lemon juice, some spices and tahini, and even some fresh nuts if you'd like, some fresh herbs, and a liquid if it's too thick. And you've got a beautiful, beautiful smooth pasta sauce.